Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm here to break some news to you guys. I'm here to tell you that the protest in front of Tony's Hughes' house was fake. It was a setup. It was complete propaganda. It was fake. Now, let me explain, because a lot of you are thinking, what? No, there was really people in front of his house. I swear, I saw the signs and everything. Okay, let me explain you a few things. Now, look, this is just a conspiracy theory, but I'm kind of a conspiracy theorist sometimes. But no, actually, I got some facts that are going to break it down to you. I actually just spent the last 4 days with a bunch of CEOs of gigantic corporations, and they really put this into perspective for me because I did talk about the whole Proposition 22 thing, and this was their theory. So check this out, guys. This isn't just a conspiracy theory. I actually think this is true. Now, feel free to debunk me, but I think this is actually true. Okay, so what is the biggest revenue? What's the biggest business in California? It's unions, guys. Unions run the politicians. Unions run all of California, basically. I used to live in California. I was a part of the union before. And you know what I was also part of? A group that did organized protests. Now, wasn't something I did for a long time or anything. You know, it was like something I did. Like, my friend was literally a professional protester, as silly as this sounds. Professional. Man, I can't talk. But it's not because I'm drinking tequila right now. It's probably because I'm drinking tequila right now. Anyways, okay. So, I guess the tequila did make me think of this. That's why I was like, I gotta talk about this right now. Anyways, okay. So seriously, is it a conspiracy that a couple weeks, what is it, a week after a judge overrules the Proposition 22 that would have made all delivery drivers all delivery drivers employees, is it a coincidence that when the judge overruled that to basically kind of put it open in the air, 1 week later at the biggest gig company's CEO's house, there's protesters trying to make this company look like they're basically using slave labor? Seems a little fishy to me. Just a little fishy, right? Because you guys know how many dollars are at stake here. If the unions can basically get this proposition declined or not passed, to where they can now start turning in all these gig drivers into union workers. And guys, we really don't want that. Seriously, you don't want to have to report and do every single job that pops up for you and become an employee. We don't want that. For the best of our own interest, we do not want to be employees. We don't want to be told what to do. That's why we're independent contractors in the first place. But guys, I'm just putting two and two together. And it's not just me. I'm telling you, I was with some CEOs of gigantic corporations that are based in California. And this was what they basically told me. And they were saying, I don't know, it seems a little fishy because the unions, right? Unions run California. They literally own Gavin Newsom and all the politicians that are running California. So is it weird that maybe all of a sudden there's all these protesters in front of Tony Hughes' house making a gigantic scene? If they can convert California people to vote and turn down this proposition, or I don't even know if they have to vote. They might just California can basically do whatever they want. That place is 75% Democrat, so basically they have pretty much the say on whatever they want to do, you know? Even though Proposition 22 passed with it wasn't even a close vote, somehow this judge overruled it, and now it's up in the air again on if independent contractors can continue to be gig drivers. I don't think that it's a coincidence, you know? I just don't think it's a coincidence that 1 week after, all of a sudden there's people hanging out at Tony Hughes' house with all these signs and stuff. Now, I'm telling you, that's billions of dollars if they can convert gig drivers into union employees. I don't think it'll happen. I think the companies will just straight up take it out of California because every other state seems to be just fine with having gig workers. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm not buying it though. I think these are paid protesters. Like I said, I used to get paid $150 to go and protest, and people would tell me like, okay, these are the signs that we need you guys to hold. This is like how long need you guys to stand here. If anyone comes in through here, make sure you tell them about the protest and why everyone's protesting. And there was a time where we pretended to be Long Beach Airport employees, and no one who was there was an employee. We were literally paid professional protesters that would just basically make a gigantic scene outside so that way the unions could get what they wanted. And this is a huge problem in California, is that they are literally, like, the unions literally own that state. Now, of course, I'm just a conspiracy theorist here, guys. I don't know. It just seems a little fishy, right? I don't know. In my opinion, it's not even fishy. It's like, that's a fact. A week after the judge overrules something, all of a sudden, it doesn't. We can put 2 and 2 together, and I'm putting 2 and 2 together for you guys. If you guys believe me, and you guys think what I'm saying is true, which I have no reason to like make shit up, let me know. Smash that like button for me. If you think it's true, smash the like button for me. Anyways, and let me know if you guys have any comments down below, because I don't know, I just think it's too fishy. And yeah, Tony Zhu is probably in on the whole thing. He probably knows, oh great, the unions right now, you know? I don't know, was he even home? I don't know, protesting outside of someone's house too? Like, I don't know. I tried to organize a protest at Doordash headquarters and no one was really down for it. So I was like, all right, never mind. But doing this causes a huge scene. There's all these news. Who got the news involved, you know? The unions can literally call up all their news friends channels who are all owned by the exact same people and just say like, hey, we need you with some cameras down here. We're organizing a big protest outside of the CEO of the biggest gig company's house. Make sure you're there with your cameras. And they probably called up all of the news. Bet you there was like CNN there and MSNBC and, you know, like all the good old news sources that would never lie to us. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. That's all I got for you guys today. No more conspiracy theories. All right. We're going to just stick to the facts for now. No, seriously, guys, seriously. The unions, I'm telling you. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and smash that like button if you agree with me. Peace, guys.